Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today's video is about Don't Bother EA, and we have been trading it from last more than 3 months so far. Okay, and to start with, let me show you or let me introduce you this expert advisor and its few of the features. So Don't Bother EA is an advanced and powerful Forex robot that leverage real market mechanics to seize profitable opportunities. Okay, so there are a few features that I would like to talk to you about. Flexible risk levels. There are many risk levels that are mentioned and you can choose from, like high risk, medium risk, low risk, significant risk, and much more. Okay, so if you're not sure about any other setting or any other thing, then just choose your risk level and it will trade automatically according to the chosen risk level. Okay, and but again, like if you would like to customize it according to your need, then you can use the lot customization, like whether you can trade with a fixed lot, whether you want the lot size to get adapted according to your capital, or let the EA manage the lot size based on the risk level that you have already chosen. Okay, and if you want to customize it more, you can also like there is a deposit load management function where you can manage the deposit load accordingly, and there is a maximum lot control, like where you can put like what is the maximum lot size that you would like to use on. Then there is a drawdown management control as well. There is a news filter integration that is already included, and there is a martingale strategy that is optional if you would like to use it or let the EA manage on its own. Okay, grid trading capability, definitely it uses grid trading, and hedging is optional. You can experience the precision and control of this expert advisor, Don't Bother EA, and you can maximize your potential for success in the dynamic Forex market. Okay, so if you're not sure about any of the setting, then just choose the risk level and let the EA manage your trades. The minimum requirement is 1000 US dollar or either 1000 US cent, and the leverage is minimum 1 is to 100 is the lowest. I would recommend 1 is to 500 if you can. Otherwise 1 is to 200 and above is fine. Okay, and one more thing that that I forgot to include it here. It is a one chart installation, right? It used to trade only on 3 currency pairs: AUD CAD, NZD CAD, and AUD NZD. Okay, only 3 pairs, and you just need to install it on just one chart and it will trade on all the 3 pairs automatically as soon as the conditions meet. So let's start from here. So based on your equity, it will take the trades accordingly based on the risk level. It will not take additional trades if your existing trades are already running on. Generally, like it doesn't use to trade with all the 3 pairs together, but it will take the trades on maybe on the 3 currencies only if the risk level is low, right? So it will manage the risk on itself, and if you see, it doesn't trade all the time and it doesn't take the trades very frequently. It used to take the trades very less. So that is the reason we were able to complete all the trading, the account history in just few seconds, right? So with a deposit of 5,000, we made a profit of 1647 in 15 weeks. And the running trade, there is a running trade right now, that is in ZDCAD, that is this one that is in front of you. And my FX book link of this particular expert advisor is already shared in the video description. You can check it out, and let me just show it for you once again. So here is the MyFX book link. Like if you can see, like from May 22 till today, it's September 7. Okay, so it is already this is the profit graph. The monthly has been 8.20 and the maximum drawdown has been 15.09% so far. And today we made 0.48%, this week 1.65%, and this month it is 2.18%, and this year we made 32.95%. Okay, so this is the monthly statistics. You can see 1.04% for May, 8.14% for June, 9.12% for July, and 9.13% of August, and 2.18% in September, right? And Just scroll down and you can see there are multiple expert advisors that are already on my FX book, which are mostly on the testing phase. But I have not created the videos on most of these, but I will create the videos very soon once we test it for some more time. So monthly it is 8.20% and the maximum drawdown has went up to 15.09% so far. So guys, that's pretty much it for the day. In case if you have any question, please feel free to reach me over email, or you can reach me over Telegram. Both the details are in the video description. Okay, so if you have any question, feel free to reach me. Thank you very much. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Bye.